Combination is known as arrangement or selecting of objects or things where orders does not important. This is a selection of R objects taken from N objects where arrangement does not matter. It means that AB is the same to BA and WXY is the same as WYX or YWX. In solving the number of combinations, there is a formula N choose R. N choose R is equal to N factorial over N minus R factorial times R factorial. N is the number or total number of objects and R is the number of objects to be taken. Example number 1. 2 balls are drawn in a box containing 4 balls, green, blue, yellow, and red. What are the possible combinations and how many combinations? If we get 2 balls from the box, the possible outcomes are green and blue, green and yellow, green and red, blue and yellow, blue and red, and last, yellow and red. There are 6 possible outcomes. In example number 1, 2 balls are drawn in a box containing 4 balls. Using the formula N choose R is equal to N factorial over N minus R factorial times R factorial, we can find the number of combination. N is 4, the number of balls in the box. And R is equal to 2, the number of balls to be taken. So let's substitute the value of N and R in the formula. N is equal to 4 and R is equal to 2. This will become 4 choose 2 is equal to 4 factorial over 4 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. In the denominator, we have 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then, it will become 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial. 4 factorial, that is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. In the denominator, 2 times 1 and another 2 factorial, 2 times 1. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 24. In the denominator, 2 times 1 is equal to 2. And another 2 times 1 is equal to 2. In the denominator, we have 2 times 2 is equal to 4. We have now a 24 over 4. 24 over 4 is equal to 6. 4 combination of 2 is equal to 6. Example number 2. Find the number of ways of choosing 2 sticks from 5 different sticks: red, yellow, blue, orange, and green. The possible outcomes are red and yellow, red and blue, red and orange, red and green, yellow and blue, yellow and orange, yellow and green, blue and orange, blue and green, orange and green. We can use also the formula in finding the number of combination. In example number 2, n is equal to 5 different sticks and r is equal to 2. You are going to choose 2. Let's substitute the value of n and r in the formula. N, choose r, is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. N is equal to 5 and r is equal to 2. It will become 5 choose 2 is equal to 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. In the denominator, we have 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Then it will become 5 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 factorial. Five factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. In the denominator, 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1. And 2 factorial is 2 times 1. Then simplify. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 120. In the denominator, 3 times 2 times 1 and 2 times 1 is equal to 12. We have 120 over 12. 120 over 12 is equal to 10. The 5 combination of 2 is equal to 10. That's the way how are you going to find the number of combination. I hope you learned from this video.